Where animals live. Animals live in different ways. Bears live in the forest, and fish live in the water. Lions live in the grasslands, and birds live in trees. Each animal has a home that fits its needs. Question number 1. Where do bears live? Bears live in the forest. Question number 2. Where do lions live? Lions live in the grasslands. Question number 3. Why do animals need a home? Animal need home to fill its needs.
Very good.
Go.
A butterfly starts as a tiny egg. It hatches into a caterpillar, which its leaves and grows. The caterpillar turns into pupa and rests. After some time, the butterfly comes out and flies away. Ito, the busy ant. An ant is a small insect with 6 legs. It has 2 antennae on its head. Ants live in large groups called colonies. They work together to gather food and
Build.
build their homes. Ants are always busy helping each other.
Okay na.
Sa hardin, isang araw, si Ana ay naglalaro sa hardin. Nakita niya ang isang paso na may magagandang bulaklak. Inipat niya ito sa lalim ng araw para mas lumaki ang mga halaman. Habang naglalaro, hindi sinasadyang natabig ni Ana ang baso na
Naglalaman.
ng mainit na kape. Dahil dito nagkaroon siya ng paso sa kanilang braso. Tinawag niya ang kaniyang nanay at agad siyang binigyan ng gamot para sa kaniyang paso upang ito ay mabilis gumaling.
Ayun. Galing.
The banana. I see a banana. The banana is long. The banana is yellow. The banana is very sweet. Question number 1. I see a blank. A apple. B banana. C lemon. Banana.
Banana sagot.
Question number 2.
Lakas.
The banana is blank. A long and orange. A long and yellow.
Ano sagot?
Long and yellow.
Okay.
3. The banana is very blank. A tasty. B sour. C sweet.
Ano sagot?
Sweet.
Yun. Very good. Thank you.
The bug in the cup. A bug is in a cup. The cup is on a rug. The bug jumps up. The cup tips. The bug runs. Questions. Number 1. What is in the cup? A bug is in a cup.
Ayun.
Question number 2. Where is the cup? The cup is on a rug.
Ayun.
Question number 3. What does the bug do?
The bag.
The bug jumps up. Question number 4. What happens to the cup?
Uy, mami nag-grab. Ano? What does? Mami.
What happens to the cup?
The cup.
The cup tips.
5.
Question number 5. What does the bug do at the end? The bug runs. The mud hut. A hut is in the mud. The bug is in the hut. A pup runs to the hut. The bug runs out. The pup jumps in the hut. Questions. Question number 1. What is in the mud? A hut is in the mud. Question number 2. Who is in the hut? A bug. No, question number 3. Who runs to the hut? The bugs runs out. Ito? Tama ba?
Hindi, a pup runs into the hut. Ulit. Ano question?
A pups runs. A hut is in the mud. A bug is in the hut. A pup runs to the hut. The bug runs out. The pup jumps in the hut. Question number 1. What is in the mud? A hut is in the mud. Question number 2. Who is in the hut? A bug.
Is in the hut.
Question number 3. Who runs to the hut? A pup runs to the hut. Question number 4. What does the bug do? The bug runs out. Question number 5. What does the pup do at the end? The pup jumps in the hut.
Ayan.
Question number 1. Which one of these can take the place of meat? A. Candy. B. Mango. C. Bananas.
Ano sagot?
A.
Ano sagot?
A.
Mali. Ito ba Mongo?
Munggo.
B. Oh, mali.
Question number 1. Which one of these can take the place of meat? A. Candy. B. Mango. C. Bananas.
Answer.
B.
Anong B?
Mango.
Okay.
Ay ka munggo ha.
Question number 2. Which one of these drinks is good for children? A. Tena. B. Milk. C. Coffee.
Answer.
B.
Ano yung B?
Milk.
Okay.
Number 3. Question number 2. What helps build the body? A. Meat. B. Chocolate. C. Soft drinks.
Answer.
A.
Ano yung A?
Meat.
Okay.
Question number 4. What food is very expensive? A. Meat. B. Beans. C. Mango.
Answer.
A.
A, ano yung A?
Meat.
Meat pa rin. Okay, number 5.
Number 5. Question number 5. Is coffee good for children? A. No. B. Yes. C. Always.
Answer.
No.
No. Okay. Thank you.